Hello and welcome to this channel. Let's start with our season 3 episode. So this tutorial basically will prepare a PlayStation 3 with dual digital disc. So this is simple a good mechanism to overcome the rules by Sony company. So this is a simple mechanism and PlayStation 3 Super Screen has certain type of feature but not all backward compatibility of PlayStation 2. So this is just the tiny gear mechanism which is to cover up the DVD drive and to assure that DVD disc is installed properly. Let's slide on. So this one is the simple mechanism, and this is a
Usually DVD will save disk. So how is to support delivery both as model. So we also a working system of our refrigerator. Also, this is of our repair. But we will a flyer material. So flyer material is buffed and no on causes to remove war. Or just lose the rule if you completely to remove this. So this is not good with you. Okay, so or just try this one. Oh, so this one. The first step is how to repair this kind of looking. If sometimes it's jam and not proper. So there's two lines, one is for DVD disc and one for Blu-ray disc. So Blu-ray disc is too much expensive to repair. So this is the simple Blu-ray to repair this. Also there is a button to feedback to Cisco to disk is properly installed and okay to I'm not do much. Do not use too much alcohol or cleaner because if it is too much cleaner and alcohol your lens will fade to read. This is a simple mechanism, but I think this is also bad. And the gear mechanism is still hard. And there is not any trick to prepare. But okay, so let's move further and don't try to too much load on this loading mechanism. To make some tiny grease and the tiny grease also. So this one will do. Okay, so this is the feedback version to feedback to make the process to this is properly working. Okay, so this spring mechanism to do the food over. Okay. You always do okay, so I guess if the lens is properly dust free, the biggest problem for Super Slim 3 is the dust particles add on the lens mount. So this is why we have idea to PlayStation 3 for protection of dust. So if you want to repair this one, please do not apply too much load on the lens and your PlayStation 3 console will be fine. So this is super safe, and this is part 1, and with the part 1 I already told you which the PlayStation 3 consoles is fine. So this is fine, and if you have